Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is August the 28th, 2022. We're going to talk about Dwac today, a Digital World Acquisition Corporation, and how this market can continue to crash. Now, I can say that I'm surprised to see Dwac go down in price because I did a video on August the 10th telling you all that the price was going to go lower, and we are here today looking at Dwac down about almost 6.5% on Friday's trading day. So I wanted to come in and talk about it because it's an article written from the Washington Post saying that Truth Social faces financial peril as worry about Trump's future grows. Now, this is definitely in relation to Dwac because how the situation with Trump going on with, all of the raids and the FBI coming in and taking documents from out his house is going to impact the reputation of Trump and how people view him overall, and will they continue to back him and follow him while he goes out and tries to create this social media platform. Now, I went through this article, just highlighted a couple of things to kind of substantiate the financial peril that Dwac is going to go through. Let's take a look. If y'all appreciate my videos, my content, go ahead and hit that like button, and also subscribe here to the channel because I am non-biased. I could care less about these stocks. I don't care about them so much as long as it can bring me money. That's it. All right, so look at this. 6 months after its high profile launch, the site, a clone of Twitter, which banned Trump after January 6, 2021, still has no guaranteed source of revenue. How are they going to make money is what this article is going into. And a questionable path to growth. How are they going to grow? Right? These are two questions that this author is posing about Dwac or Truth Social. This is according to the Securities and Exchange Commission filings from Digital World Acquisition, the company planning to take Trump's startup, the Trump Media and Technology Group, public. Right? Two problems already. How are we going to make money? How are we going to grow? The company warned this week that its business could be damaged if Trump becomes less popular or there are further controversies that damage his credibility. That's very, very hard for a business to endure, especially when you have a face of an individual and it is being tarnished. It is being harmed to where people don't want to be associated with you. Is this what Dwac is talking about with Trump? The company has seen its stock price plunge nearly 75% since its March peak and reported in a filing last week that it had lost $6.5 million in the first half of the year 2022. They're losing money. Okay. Now, there are signs that the company's financial base has begun to erode. They're losing backing. People who used to put money up for this social media platform, they're leaving, right? The Trump company stopped paying RightForwards, a conservative web hosting service, in March and now owes it more than $1 million. Now, this is according to Fox Business, which first reported the dispute. Now, if you don't want to see any business venture come off the ground, that is one way to do it. You don't pay people. Also, the company also has struggled with some basics of corporate operation. The U.S. Patent and Trademark Office this month denied its application to trademark Truth Social, citing the likelihood of confusion to other similarly named companies, including an app, Peril, True Social, which was first released in 2015. So Trump has a social media platform called Truth Social. Well, Peril came out in 2015 with True Social. Yeah, there's a likelihood of confusion there just by the two words alone, right? So now let's get back to the chart because, like I said, I could care less about the intricacies of the business jargon or, all of the effects that is affecting the business. I want to see the money. I want to see how people are taking in all of this information before they come in and buy or sell. So yeah, we got this one right in Dwac. So that's 10.25% right there. Let's cut it. One of the biggest problems that I can already see on the chart for Dwac is the fact that price has broken the trend. We are now seeing price in Dwac break below our ascending line, which is not positive. Let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it real. Okay, so I'm going to continue to extend out this line because it's going to play a very big role as to how Dwac is going to trade. Okay, so now automatically seeing price in Dwac break this trend line, I am going to expect price to go down automatically. You know why? Because charts don't lie. Okay, let's look at this on a 2-weekly chart, and let's keep it real. Let's keep it a buck, right? We give the buyers of Dwac credit. We give them credit. Why? Well, because they tried over the last 6 weeks to lift price above this line right here, which is around $33.25. We give them credit, but we also have to acknowledge that they failed, right? Starting here on July the 18th, 2022, Dwac attempted to break price above $33.25. They attempted there, failed. Then they tried again on this 2-weekly price bar, August the 1st, failed. Then they tried again on this last completed 2-weekly price bar, failed. So you have a total of 6 weeks to where the market attempted to break price above $33.25, and they couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. That tells us a lot, right? Here it is. We got 3 days and 5 hours left on this current monthly price bar, and we're still noticing that price is weak. Looking at Dwac on a weekly chart, price is weak. Now, with that being said, I want you all to see this too, though, because right here is the basis of buyers. We're finding the next stage to where buyers in Dwac are coming into the market. They're coming in right now, okay, around $26.50, just like they did here on this weekly price bar. Now, one thing that is different on this weekly price bar versus this one is the fact that the volume is not coming in like it did last time, right? So I'm looking for price to go down, but I'm going to acknowledge that we can still see buyers approach the market at $26.50. That's going to be my first price target. Okay, $26.50. This is Dwac on a 5-day chart, still seeing weakness. 3-day chart, still seeing weakness. 2-day chart, still seeing weakness. So let me put this on the chart real quick and we'll be done. Okay, I said 2650 is going to be the first price target that we can see Dwac run down towards. You guys can see it's a meager 3 3/4% movement to the downside. I get it. I got it. Good. Okay. Now, outside of 2650, my next level is going to be down here towards $25.36. That's almost 8%. To $24.45. Those are the areas that are going to look for the market in Dwac to run down towards, and we're going to continue to expect the downward move in Dwac as long as market continues to get rejected on that ascending line. Take a look. We can actually see the market in Dwac do that, and we won't be surprised because I'm telling you that now. Okay, I'm telling you right now. So now let's keep that there. We're going to follow the price in Dwac for the month of September. And that is it. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your idea. Where are we going to go into the market in Dwac? Do you still suspect price is going to go down? Do you think we're going to go up? What do you think? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.